Hello, my dear viewers. Good day. Welcome to my channel. It's me, Ivelia Sadulio, a teacher in profession whose passion is to do video tutorials. And today's tutorial, I will teach you how to getting started with Corel Video Studio X10 in editing videos. And this is good for beginners who want to edit their own videos using this software. Okay, let us now open this is the Video Corel Studio, which I open now. And to give you an idea what is this Corel Video Studio all about, it can capture, it can edit, and it can share your video to the internet, or you can share it to your friends. Okay, in the capture part, you can use an external device to capture your video at the moment, and it can also be used to do DV quick scan, and it can also do live screen capture. And then the other part is the edit part, which is the most important part, because using this part here, you can edit your own videos. You can have different transitions and whatsoever. So may I discuss first this part here. This is the screen part where we can see the edited video. Let us say, for example, that one. So we can see whatever video we have in this part. Just click the play part, then you can see what is the video all about. And then we have here the timeline part, this one, the timeline view here. And this is the story view. So that's the story view. So better to use the timeline view, because you can see here the video track, the one that you're going to edit. Will be placed here, and the other one is the overlay track. You can also overlay some videos in your first video, and you have the title track, where we can write whatever message or title we have. And here is the voice track. We can either include or add voice to our video. And the last part is the music track. And this is where we can place our music. And then also we have here, this part here, media. When we click media, you can see here the sample videos and sample music. And this part here is what we call the instant project, because you are already given the template for beginning video, middle, ending, and complete. And you also have customize and general. And here, this AB, this is the transition part. We can also put some transitions to our video, especially when it is being started. And the T is the title. It has different styles also that we can use. And this part here is for the graphic. So we have here different graphics. We can have color pattern, background. So that's the background. You can have frame. You can have object. And you can have flash animation. And for this part, the FX filter. So we also have different types of filter. So we have 2D mapping, 3D, and so on and so forth. So you just choose which one. And the last one here is for path. So you can just choose which path you want to use in. You can use it in your video or you can use it in your title. Okay, let us do the editing part. First thing to do is to import video files. You can click here. Click and open. Or you can also browse here. Here. But you need to click and drag the file. Okay, so that's it. And then what are we going to do now is to start our editing. We need to place this. Let us say, for example, this is your first video. You need to click and drag this video to our timeline. And you can check by playing. Okay, that's our video. You can remove or you can edit some or shorten the video on your desired length. Let us say, for example, you just want it in there. You do not want to include the last part. You can just stop and you can just move this one to that part there, just like that. So that means our video will not anymore proceed to the last part and it will end up that way that we stop. And then you can add another video. Again, you have to click and you have to drag. Okay, and let us play. As you can see, it's not properly oriented. The orientation is portrait. And what are we going to do? We can do something about that. So just stop the video. Just double click this clip here. And you can see this one here area. Just click this one, rotate left. And to increase the size, what you will do is to keep aspect ratio to the second part, no letter box. Okay, so that's the size now. And if there are parts that you want to remove, you can do that by just split the clip, removing the undesired one. Let us see, for example, I want that one is not included, just stop, then just go to the scissor drawing, then just click that, and then you will notice that we separated our video into two. And then if you still wanted to remove some parts of that, just like that, also stop and then click it again. And if you want this part to be removed, just click that and delete. Click delete and it will be removed from the timeline. Okay, and so we have already 3 separate. Okay, next thing to do is to add some transitions. Okay, we have different transitions. So we have here 3D album and so on and so forth. So you can select which one. Let us have the 3D. I will choose this one. So again, we will do the same, click and drag. We just click this transition and then click in the, place it in the starting point. Okay, you check. If you want to check, just lying. Lying. Click and move. Okay, check. Okay, that's it. that's it. And you can also insert some transition in every beginning of our clip. Okay, you can stop and select another one. Okay, let us have another style film. Okay, let us have this one, the cross. Let's check. Okay, that's our transition. Let us again click and drag. Place it there. Okay, let us check again. Okay, good, very good. And another transition in the last clip. Okay, we can select another one. Flashbacks, no. One. Push or roll. Let's see, push. Okay. Let's have the last one, the strip. Checking the. Okay, that's our strip transition. Again, click and drag to the beginning of the last clip. Okay, and then let's check. Okay, there you are. Okay, we are done with the transition. I think we can proceed to the next. Okay, this time let us add title to our video. So just click T, and here you can see different styles of the title. So it's up to you to select which one. Let us say, for example, this one. Okay, that's the one. Okay. What you'll do is just click and drag, this time placing it in the T part or the title part. And to have a few seconds for your title, you can drag it there. Okay, then double click to change the text. Okay. Okay, then you can click outside and then click na naman inside to move this either below or at the upper part. So let us put it below. And you can also change the color of this text. Okay, you double click again. You want to change the color. Let's see what color. Let us see, we want it to be blue. Okay, just go to this part here for edit. Then click color and change that to blue. So let's see if the color changes to blue. Okay. And this one, you can either remove this or you can add another text. Okay, you can also change this color to, let us say, red. Click this one again. And then click outside and click again to move this one below. Okay, then click project to see the result. The beginning. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's it. Let's see, for example, your video has no music and you want to add some music. So what will you do is to go back to the media files, and then you can click score filter music. So we have here different music. You can try some music to select. until such time that you choose the which you think the best. Okay, I think that one, we can use that one. Okay, stop, and then the same process, click and drag, this time placing it here. And another one, click again, so we'll complete our video. One more. That's it. Okay, clicking project, starting from the beginning, and play. Okay, assuming you don't have the that is if you do not have music in your video. In my case, for example, since this is already video, even without addition of music, the video is okay. But for you, for example, this is just for tutorial purposes, you can embed music. Okay, next. And if you want to add some graphics, okay, so you can choose which one will you choose. Color pattern, background, frame, object, flash animation. So let us have the frame. So you can choose which one do you like. I think I will be using the first one. Again, you also click and drag. Okay, let us see in the first video, so you can put it in the video overlay. Okay, there. And then let us say want it that the whole first clip will have the, or you can complete the 3 videos. You can, it's up to you. Okay, let's check. Let's click project. And let's start it from the start. And play. Okay, that's it. You can see already the frame. Okay, next. You can again add some filter. Okay. Say, assuming I want to have some filter in this second video. So you can select which one will you choose. Actually, these are also being categorized and to 2D mapping, 3D mapping, and so on. Let's say I want the camera lens. Okay, let us have this one. There is a star. Again, click this one. And I'm going to place this in the second video. Okay, okay, to check using the clip. Okay, there's the star. If you want to use this last path here, or the last animation, the path, I think it's proper if you will add some graphics first on the last, let us see, on the last video. You can, let us have, for example, this one. And I want to place it here. Here. And let us say one whole of the clip will have the heart, and I will make this one smaller. Place it here at the topmost. And then I want this one moving in a certain direction. Let us see this one. Just click this one and place it to the graphics that we have. And you can check by playing the last clip. Okay, that is guys. We are done with our project. Next thing to do is to go to the last part of our video editing part, which is the sharing. So you can save this one in your computer, and then you can select whatever format you will use. You can have the AVI, the MP, the MOP, whatsoever. And you can also save this one in your device. You can have DV, mobile device, or whatever. You can also immediately share this to the internet using YouTube, Facebook, Flickr, Vimeo, or you can also write this one in DVD format, Blu-ray, SD card, and whatsoever. And please do not forget to save your project. And guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you like this video. Do not forget to subscribe at the bottom of this video if you like. And please look forward to my other videos in the future. Thank you for watching.